What the fuck is up, bro? Finally back with a new video on my Type 3. I didn't really have time to make any new videos because of my exams, but here we are anyway. So starting off, finally fixed the problem that I had, which really sucked. So now it drives really good again. There's a fucking beast of an exhaust under it, but it's not mine, it's a friend's, and I'm just lending it. So I'm gonna have this for like a few days, maybe a week. I'm not really able to film like this at the moment because basically what I used to hold my camera just broke. So I'm just gonna drive around, I guess, like this, and I'm gonna film a flyby, I think. I can just put it in my fucking helmet, which is amazing. I think my bike is still cold. Gonna see if I can film a flyby.